How to make ChatGPT generate images.
Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to explore how to get AI to create images, specifically using ChatGPT and some powerful alternative tools.
While ChatGPT itself can't directly generate images, I'll show you how to use it in conjunction with other AI image generators. So let's get started. First, it's important to understand that ChatGPT is a text-based AI. It excels at generating text, not images. So you can't ask it to directly create a picture. What ChatGPT can do is help you create detailed and effective prompts for other AI image generators. A good prompt is crucial for getting the results you want. Ask ChatGPT to create a detailed description for an image. For example, you could ask, write a detailed description of a futuristic cityscape at sunset with neon lights and flying cars. Copy the generated prompt. Now you'll need to use an AI image generator. Popular options include eTooth OpenAI, developed by the same company as ChatGPT. Other is Midjourney, accessed through Discord. Try Adobe Firefly, part of the Adobe Creative Cloud. Paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT into the text input area of your chosen AI image generator. Click the Generate or Similar button to create the image. If the initial result isn't perfect, you can refine the prompt or generate variations of the image. And that's it. Now you know how to use ChatGPT to create effective prompts for AI image generation. Remember, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for brainstorming and refining your ideas. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments which AI image generator you prefer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.